we are moving to the second periodic trend, that is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is nothing but the amount of energy that is required to remove the valential electron. What happens to the ionization enthalpy along the period and down the group? Along the period, ionization enthalpy will be getting increased because the effective nuclear charge is getting increased. See, imagine if the nucleus is holding all the electrons tightly in the sense, more energy is required to remove the valence electron. That is why along the period, ionization enthalpy is getting increased. Down the group, the number of shells is getting increased. So that is why ionization enthalpy is getting decreased. Moving to the third periodic trend, that is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is nothing but the amount of energy released to gain the electron in the atom. Along the period, electron gain enthalpy will be getting increased. That is, in another words, we can say electron gain enthalpy will become more negative. Okay, so nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Nitrogen will acquire 3 electrons to obtain the stable noble gas configuration, and oxygen needs only 2 electrons to obtain the stable noble gas configuration, and fluorine, it just need only 1 electron to require the stable noble gas configuration. So that is why along the period, electron gain enthalpy will be getting increased, and down the group, the metallic nature will be getting increased. So there is no necessity to gain the electron. So down the group, electron gain enthalpy will be getting decreased, that is less negative. Moving to the fourth periodic trend, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity is nothing but the tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. Here there is no exceptional case. Along the period, electronegativity will be getting increased because fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table, and down the group, electronegativity will be getting decreased because the metallic nature is getting increased. And with this, we have reached the end of this concept, and in the forthcoming videos, we can see many more interesting concepts in detail. Stay tuned. Thank you.